scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. A. At x equals 6, the graph of f prime does not cross the x-axis. It remains positive on both sides. A relative maximum nor a relative minimum. B. For concavity, f is concave down where f prime is decreasing, which occurs on the open intervals -2 to 0 and 4 goes to 2, 6. F of x minus 3x over x squared minus 5x plus 6 yields the indeterminate form 0 over 0 since f of 2 equals 1. The result is 6 times 0 minus 3 over 2 times 2 minus 5 equals 3. D. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.